First of all, I would like to thank for this conference. I think it has been a great pleasure to be here. Lovely to be and meet people in real life. And I'm also very happy to be able to announce that the next DTRS14 will be hosted by Innovation and Design at Melodyne University. Thank you. And the theme for the conference will be Innovative Design in the Service of Attaining Comprehensive Sustainability, Lasting Protection of the Planet and its Inhabitants. And the questions that we raise is, what role does or might innovative design play when it comes to create and attain a sustainable future? Can design help to reach the sustainable goals? And what motivates these questions is that we are facing a complex systemic change related to globalization, digitization or digital transformation, whatever you call it, and the need for reducing the negative impact on our environment. Agenda 2030 and the UN's scaffolding framework with the 17 sustainability goals aim to eliminate poverty and hunger, realize human rights for all, achieve equity and empowerment for all women and girls, and ensure lasting protection for the planet and its inhabitants and natural resources. The global goals are designed to be an integrated resource that balance all three dimensions of sustainable development: the economics, the social, and the environmental. This means complexity. We need to take a holistic perspective. And hence to achieve organizational and societal systems that go in tandem with the sustainability goals, we also need to pay attention to parts and aspects of it. For example, industry meets these challenges by transitioning from Industry 4.0 towards Industry 5.0 with the human in focus, but of course the whole environment in focus. Moreover, both industry and the public sector must take the aging population into consideration and preparing for a prolonged working life because of the growing share of older people in many populations. So this is the overall theme, and it's very broad, and we will continue to work on this, of course. And I also want to say something about the university. Maybe you don't know about Maladol University. It's the Swedish newest university. We were accepted as a full university in January this year. And we have two campuses, one in Eskilstuna and one in Västerås. And we are not a very big university, but we do have around 20,000 students and courses and programs in design and communication, economics, healthcare, education, engineering, chamber music, and opera. So it's broad. And we have it's 221 doctorate students, 60 professors, and a lot of international agreements. And we have research in several areas, such as future energy, healthcare and welfare, embedded systems, industrial engineering and management, innovation and product realization, educational science, and mathematics. So, where is it located? Maladol University is located, you can see the red-orange dots here on the map, and it's in Eskilstuna and Västerås, and it's 40 minutes by bus between the two campus towns, and it's close to Stockholm. It's about 1 hour's ride from Stockholm, and you also see Arlanda airport, and you can see the way going down there. And it's beautiful located with the lake Mälaren, and we also have the Baltic Sea and the archipelago in Stockholm there. And we have a brand new campus, I would say. We opened in the beginning of March 2020, and the same week we should have the official opening of the campus. It was closed down for the students, and we started to teach on remote. And this is the only pictures from the interior. We have not had time yet to take the photos because of that we've all been working from home. And you can also see a view of we have from the window in Eskilstuna on the campus. So, very welcome to Eskilstuna Melodyne University in June 2024. And you will hear more from us.